Welcome to this course. So you might be asking yourself what you will learn by taking this course. Well, essentially you're going to learn a few things. Firstly is you're going to understand the potential of Bitcoin. So why we are bothering to trade it, why is it such a good instrument to trade, why are people talking about it, why not trade Forex or stocks, why particularly Bitcoin. Secondly, how do we get started? Because Bitcoin is a relatively new phenomena to lots of people. So how are you going to buy your Bitcoins, exchange the Bitcoins, and essentially trade them at the end for profit? Thirdly, we're going to look at how to recognize long situations by using technical analysis, and how we're going to recognize short situations where we sell Bitcoins at a higher price and buy them back at a lower price, all to make money. So you might be a trader who's just simplistically a buy and hold type trader, but the more you look into Bitcoin and the more the market has been liberated by trading, then you can get involved in making money on the short side and the long side. And lastly, we're going to look at how do we do this profitably, how we manage our risk, how we take our profits, and what essentially we look for when we are looking for setups. So this will keep us going forward in terms of increasing our profits over the long term.